So I just got my coils in the mail, delivered. Talking to the YouTubes. All 8 of them off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for these coils. Let's see, let me just make sure I got all 8 first. I was reading some of the comments. I was reading some of the reviews for these, and people were saying, I like to read the negative reviews first, and people were saying that these, they got these and they said they were fakes. I've been looking for these, searching through forums, looking at YouTubes, and there is one guy that I follow that has been working on Fords for a long time, and he knows how to spot the real from the fake. And he showed me that on these coils, the genuine OEMs from Ford Motorcraft, there will be a paint mark on the wire harness like that. That's one tell that this is a genuine. Now this is a bent, which goes to the 2 valve, not the 3 valve. So according to your model van, I have the 5.4 V8 2 valve, and you get the 508, and I believe the 3 valve is 511. So the other issue that a lot of the reviews said is they ordered this and it comes in a pack of 8 and they only got 1. So I don't know what that's about. I got all 8. They're not damaged. They came in a pretty soft package. These should be in boxes. But everything is good. They're not damaged. They come also with grease on them, and that's another tell that these are genuine. And there is also another tell by the packaging. It said there's no gradient. This is a solid red, not a fade. And we got the Ford logo. Also, spelling should be correct and grammar should be correct. But one more tell, and this was a cool little tell, is that there's little air pockets, little punch out holes, that on the fake coils they don't have punch out holes. So what I got were genuine coils for the spark plugs, and these should last a long time as opposed to the aftermarkets that tend to blow out after 20,000 miles. I want this thing to go another 100,000, so I paid a little extra for the genuine Motorcraft parts. And with the genuine Motorcraft spark plugs, we should be back to all new OEM parts, no frauds, no counterfeits. And yeah, I'll leave a link if you guys are thinking about changing out coils and spark plugs. I'll leave the links for that from where I got these, so that you can get genuine parts and then have your van go another 100K. I hit 140 and I told you about the vibrations I was feeling. So once these are installed, I'll do an update. But genuine OEMs, suck it.